Hi, have you ever tried to charge your mobile just to find out that you have a broken charging cable? Or maybe you're planning to go to a trip and you need to carry with you your iPhone, your Android mobile, your smartwatch, your tablet, and cables for each one of them? Today we're going to talk about the solution that will help you to charge all of those devices. Hi, I'm JC, and tonight in Autopista Ideas we're going to talk about wireless charging. These pads are hardware that transfer wireless energy to our mobiles through an electromagnetic field. To do this, both the pads and our mobile phone have induction coils. This is an easy way to charge our mobiles without having to depend on a cable. However, it can be a slightly slower way to charge our phone, but not less effective. Usually this feature has been established to mid-range or high-end phones. However, some of these pads include adapters that allow us to use wireless charge in a lower range phones. Okay, now we're going to check a basic model of a wireless charger. This one belongs to the company QI, and as you can see the box says it starts working as long as you place the phone on the pad. This model is made in China. Let's open it. As you can see, this is a very basic model. You can buy it really cheap. Let's see how the wireless charge works using this pad. First of all, once we open it, we find it includes this white pad. It's very important to mention that this pad is just for energy transfer. I mean, it doesn't have internal battery where to store energy. Therefore, in order to use this pad, we have to connect it to a laptop or a desktop computer. Apart from this, we find it brings the USB cable that you needed to connect the pad to a energy source. Okay, so this is the USB cable. You see, it's a small one. I mean, it's enough to make it, to make the pad work. So we plug it here, and the other side, of course, you plug it to the computer. You can see this model brings two adapters. They have different connectors. One connector is for iPhone and another one is for Android. You can see this is the one for iPhone and this other one is for Android. They are actually very easy to recognize. This is the catalog where it gives you the instructions to use the pad, to know how to connect it to the computer. Once you connect the pad to the power source, you can see there is a red light that flashes. It means the pad is receiving the energy and is ready to charge. Okay, first of all, we're going to test this wireless charge pad with an Android phone. This is a Huawei. So we plug the Android adapter and we turn on the phone because this one is really discharged. So this is the right way to plug the adapter, you can see. Okay, let's wait until it turns on. Okay, here it is. This one is really discharged, so it's about to shut down. Okay, we place it on the pad and it immediately, as soon as the adapter and the pad connects, it starts charging, as you can see. How do you know it's charging? Because the red light that the pad has turns blue. That's the moment when the pad notifies you that it's connected and it's transferring energy. Yeah, like this. If you turn off the light, you can see like this. Let's do another test. Now the phone is a bit more charged, so we place it with the adapter and the pad turns blue. We're also going to make a test with a phone that doesn't need an adapter. So this is an iPhone 8. You simply put it on the pad and it recognizes immediately. There are several benefits of using wireless charging in our devices. First of all, there is less damage in the physical connector, so that means we'll need to go less times to technical service. At the same time, it's very comfortable. You only need to put your phone on the pad. You don't need to fight over the cable. You don't need to fight with this, which is a risk for your device and for yourself. Also, this is a universal service. It means that the same pad can charge an Android and an iPhone device. Another very important thing is that this service is available for several types of devices. That means it's not only for mobiles, it's also available for smartwatches, for headphones, AirPods, it's available for tablets, it's available for different kind of devices, and I hope with the time much more devices will include this characteristic. At the same time, you have to remember that for some of these pads you can charge several devices at the same time without needing to carry different cables for each one of them, or without needing to find more than one electrical plug.
Hey, by the way, just a short note to remind you to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It will be a big help. Thank you.
Although there are several models of pads for wireless charging, I personally recommend you to use models that allow you to use the phone while it's charging. For example, could be models like this. With this one, you can see the phone, you can check your messages, you can check everything, and even you can make phone calls using the speaker without having to stop the charge. Now let's check some devices that include wireless charging. Among others. Now let's check some other devices that include wireless charging. As you can see, there are several types of pads created to charge more than one device at the same time. Also, a very interesting option is that nowadays we have some type of furniture that includes wireless charging, making it available to use in the office and at home. Well, as you can see, this wireless charging technology is still under development. We still needed several things to happen to make it available for everybody. For example, first of all, this should be a standard for charging devices. All types of devices should be able to include wireless charging. At the same time, we also need more kind of furniture that accepts wireless charging. Not only the lamps I showed you just in the video, but maybe some other places. Also, I have seen, for example, in the malls, they have these places where you can charge your mobile. It should be wireless charging as well. If you liked the devices we show in the video, just make sure to check out the description where you will find the Amazon links to get those that you enjoy. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. See you next video. Bye!